Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to save a template and set it as the default so you can print invoices without needing to configure the settings every time. Let's see how to save a template in TallyPrime. Open an invoice and press Ctrl P. In the voucher printing screen, press Ctrl H. In the invoice template screen, use the available options to make any changes, if required, before saving the template. You can also save the template without making any changes. Press Ctrl L and in the Save Template screen, update the details as needed. For example, the template name will appear with a suffix of user template. You may continue with the same or change the name as per your business needs. However, ensure that the template name is unique to remain distinguished from others. You can enable the option Set as default for all sales to set the template as default for all the sales voucher types. This also allows the template to be set as the default template for the secondary voucher types created under this voucher type, such as North Sales, South Sales, and so on. Next, you can enable the option Show Additional Configuration if needed. In the Save Template for option, select all companies on this computer to use it across companies, or select this company to use this template in any system the company is accessed from. You can enable the option Save Printer, Export to Details to save the printer, and the Export to Details that has been configured in the printer settings of the given template. Press Ctrl A to save the template. Now, you can select Use Template to use the saved template for printing. In the voucher printing screen, you can configure and save a template based on your needs, so you don't have to edit or make changes every time you print. Let's assume you have to print the bank details in the template. Press C to configure and in the Add Remove Field screen, enable the Show Bank Details option. Now, you can select the bank name and configure the other required options as needed. Press Ctrl A to save the changes. Press Ctrl L to open the Save Template screen and save the template with the updated changes related to bank details. You can press I to preview the template with the bank details appearing in the template. Now, every time you want to print